Hey guys, what I've got here is expandable foam spray. The best method for every builder to fill in wall cavities, wall gaps and much more. Costs less than a fiver from any DIY store. You can use this foam in between windows and doors to seal up any gaps. Attached is a nozzle tube. Inside the cap they supply you with protective gloves. Now to use, simply slot in the nozzle and twist clockwise. Do not tighten it too much. This pack of 5 nozzle tubes costs around £1.50, so when you finish with your jobs, the inside of the tube will dry out and you will need to replace it. Now to spray, it is recommended to spray upside down. It can be used in a variety of angles, but upside down is often recommended. Slowly pressing on the trigger and gradually move the nozzle. This is just a demonstration of what you can expect. Now we managed to apply the expanding foam in between the bricks and window frame, covering any gaps in between, shaving off any excess and then applying cement or adhesive. This is how it feels and looks like when it's all dried up. This foam is completely water and heat resistant. Now coming to the wet room, we decided to make this shelf a bit bigger, filled up any gaps. Also apply the expanding foam in between the wall and the pipe. Let it to dry for a few hours. Trimmed off any excess and had it all sealed up. The gaps in between the corner plasterboard I've applied with strong adhesive. So it's all secured, ready for the next stage. So if you have any big gaps or holes in the walls, give it a shot with expandable foam. Take care guys, peace.